Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually remove your phone number from Discord. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to remove a phone number from Discord. So maybe you might have added a number before and now you want to actually delete it. If that is the case, you have to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. First of all, simply make sure to actually update the Discord app to the latest version. You could head over to your app store, in the search box type in Discord, and then go ahead and simply check whether the Discord app has actually received an update or not. If it does have an update button available, go ahead and simply tap on the update button to update the app to the latest version. Once we have actually updated Discord, I'm going to open it, and the very next thing you want to make sure is that you are basically logged into your account. Now what you could do is, after you open Discord, from the bottom right, simply tap on your Discord profile picture. So tap on your Discord profile picture button, and as you tap on it, right here at the top as the second option, you'll find a button which says My Account. So go ahead and simply tap on the My Account button. As you tap on My Account, right at the top at the third option, you'll be able to see the option called Phone, which is our current phone number. So if you want to remove a phone number from Discord, tap on this option. And if you want to update a new number, you could go ahead and simply enter the new number and verify it. However, if you want to remove a phone number, then you have to simply tap on this red text which says Remove Phone Number button. So tap on Remove Phone Number right over here, and basically it may ask you to verify using your password. So we're going to go ahead and simply enter our password. Once we have actually entered our password, what we could do is, from the bottom right, tap on this blue icon in order to simply save the changes, and you can see it says the settings has been saved. Now you can see we don't have any type of phone number added to this Discord account. And this is how you can remove a phone number from Discord. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.